Okay, so in this video I'm going to go through all the options that you have for generating your final ebook. So once you've compiled your ebook in this application, you need to go to export, and there are various options in export, and we'll go through briefly each of them. Now the first one is to generate an ebook for Amazon Kindle, and in the brackets we have the word Mobi because the file extension will be of a file called something something dot mobi file. So that's your .mobi file. Okay, and the next option is the one for, it says Barnes & Noble Nook ebook, and it's got EPUB in there, which will be the EPUB format. Now you see another option which says generate ebook EPUB format ebook, which is a general EPUB format. So what is the difference between selecting for Barnes & Noble, which is still an EPUB format, and selecting a general EPUB format, or even selecting this where it says generate for Smashwords? It's still an EPUB format, and once again here we have generate for Lulu, and once again it's an EPUB format. So why do I have so many different options when they all create the EPUB format? And the simple answer is that each of these platforms, although they do adhere to the standards, the EPUB standards, which is version 2 and 3, I have found some anomalies within working with these particular formats, and there are some caveats which I've actually coded in. So not all these EPUBs are generated equally. There are some little tricks and tweaks that I've had to do for them to work within these particular platforms. Okay, so that is why I have so many of these where you need to pick the correct one. So for example, if you are generating an ebook for Lulu, then you must use this generate Lulu EPUB format option. Okay, because there is a slight difference between the way the books have been compiled, and this is just stuff that I found as I've been doing my research, and then people are emailing me back, my customers, and saying that, oh, this doesn't work, and I do some research and I find out why. And mainly because the platforms, they don't adhere to 100% of the EPUB standards, and I've had to do some tweaks. Okay, and then once we've gone through these, we have two more options. One is that we can generate a Word a 2007 file whose extension will be a docx, and one use for this type of file would be that if you want to send it to a friend of yours, a lot of my customers actually have people in the Philippines or in India that basically proofread, do some corrections or whatever it is. Then you can always send them this kind of file where they can make their modifications, and then they can send it back. And the same with the PDF. A lot of the places like CreateSpace and others where there's a physical book, you can send a PDF or you can send a Word document. Well, these formats are definitely worth looking at if you want to send somebody a PDF version. Okay, so there you go. Those are the output options, and I hope this video helped you in understanding those. We'll see you in the next one.